Alameda Squad. Whoa. What's the sound?
He got a bird.
Who wants some
Loud shame in this bitch.
But he went, alright, mix it in two of these, two of the purple ones.
Yo, be quiet a little bit, guys.
Let's go. Da-da-do. Da-da-do.
Touch the 1, 2, 3.
I need
Touch the 1, 2, 3.
30.
Alright, let's try that again.
Alright. Hey, we back. Hey, we back. Okay. Okay. Listen. Alameda Squad. Alameda Squad, yeah, we back on the beat. Matter of fact, I'm in the streets, yeah, we cooking up this shit, and we got that fucking Bud Light niggas in this bitch. Matter of fact, Elmer Fudd with the shotty in this bitch. You gon' die with one clip, motherfucker, fuck a fifth. Hey, and I put that on everything. Bitch, I smoke Mary Jane. Fuck that fucking heavy thing. Niggas chopping up the shit. Bitches sucking up the shit. Niggas talk about we making flicks. Like fuck that bitch. Hey, we going dumb in this bitch. Niggas rapping about numbers. Niggas rapping about life. Nigga, this is my life. Nigga, fuck your fucking bitch. Every day on the block, try and cook the fucking pot. Matter of fact, try and put dollars in my fucking Nike box. Matter of fact, you over here try and get it. Try and fucking cut grass, try and fucking shut grass, but whole time y'all niggas ain't motherfucker, fuck y'all.